Okay, we're going to look at the anterior or ventral surface of the cat. We're going to start up here on the shoulder. This is the edge of the clavotrapezius coming forward. This muscle right here coming from the sternum region, coming all the way out to the arm, is the pectoantebrachialis muscle. We come over here, this is your pectoralis major muscle, and you can see how it continues on underneath the pectoantebrachialis, comes out and attaches to the arm. We then have our pectoralis minor muscle, which starts way down here, comes all the way up, tucks a little bit under pec major, and inserts right here. And then starting at the xiphoid process of the cat, we have the xiphohumeralis muscle coming up, and coming all the way in to tuck underneath the pec minor to attach on the humerus. And you can see the front edge of the latissimus dorsi as it tucks in under the arm, coming from the posterior aspect of the cat. Down here we have the abdominal aponeurosis, and you can see the external oblique muscles coming in, wrapping in, fibers coming this direction to attach